All right. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, Kyle is here. I gotta add Kyle in. Oh shit. All right.
What up? What up?
What's up? What's up? All right. So everyone, everyone, welcome to the stream. Give me a second, guys. Biggs.
Yeah, Jigga Jav is here representing for Highgate United. 45. Let's go.
Who?
Highgate United, bro. You've never heard of that team before?
Just once in one post you made.
We'll be in FIFA 22.
All right. So
Starting the FIFA 22 season.
all right. So good afternoon to everyone. As soon as you guys coming in, I want to say thanks to everyone that's showed up. Thanks to everyone that's taking part in the All Star community family. We started off from season 1 all the way up to season 15, if I'm not mistaken, or season 13. One of those numbers. I gotta go double check. This is the first time we actually
How
doing.
many tournaments? How many
We
tournaments have you hosted so far?
we have hosted.
130.
Let me.
130.
Yeah, we have hosted one of 130 tournaments so far. The
Out of
last.
365 days, you have hosted 130 tournaments. That's a major accomplishment. Congrats, man.
Appreciate it. Um, the first no Siri, not you. The first tournament I actually welcome to the stream, Lois, Ralph. Welcome to the stream, Ralph. Everyone that's tuning in. If your team is gonna be in the tournament tonight, just leave a comment, hit the like button, and let me know what's going on. This is the first time. Yo, sorry about my Streamlab. My Streamlab act weird. So I don't know why Streamlab deleted the message, but that's fine. Streamlab, you need to chill.
No, you
But
probably sent it twice. That's why.
yeah, he sent it twice, but my Streamlab always do that when people send it twice. I don't know why. All right, so yeah, as I said before, this is the first time actually hosting a tournament that have the word Champion League in it. Because I try to be different from any other tournament, so I try my best to be more different, to be more unique. Bring something different towards the community. That's the whole purpose why I create this brand. As you could see behind me, that is the brand of the tournament, but also CONCACAF is a tournament that run within the brand, if that makes sense. Kyle and Jigger is one of my two favorite person in the world as admin. When it comes to admin team, I got great admin staff, but these two guys, they basically break downs like ideas of stuff that we could do to make you guys enjoy the tournament as well. Um, Jigger was the one that give me the idea since day one to rebrand my name. Because Jigga know that I used to run a league before and they told me to just rebrand the name. And I was like, no, I'm not getting it. And then I did it, but I did it different. And then he still be here since day one. So I want to say thank you to Jigga. Kyle. Kyle is the guy that basically like
Respect.
he just give me guidance wherever there's like something need to be done, something need to be talked to the right way. He basically find a way to blag, share
Kyle is the one
information.
that keeps us in check, bro.
Say it again.
Kyle is the one that keeps us in check. Make sure we're
Yeah,
not doing anything wrong. And
yeah.
make
He
sure
basically,
we're
yeah, he
not
basically,
infringing or violating any other leagues.
yeah, yeah. So he basically keep us in check.
Yes, sir.
Um, Blitz. I just gotta say I got a great admin team. So before I start anything else, I just want to say thank you to all my teammates. I appreciate you guys. You guys have been in a good job. Just keep doing the good work, and hopefully one day this could be something bigger and better for the community. All right, so um,
You
I'm
want
gonna
me to
share.
go?
You could go, Jigga. Yes.
Good evening and welcome everyone to the AllstarsConCAF Champions League, Caribbean Champions League draw. This will be a live draw that will be done. It's the first time we've been doing it. First, let me explain what we'll be doing. There, there were 32 teams selected from 12 different countries within the Caribbean. Um, it, I think we tried to spread it equally amongst all the 12 teams. What happened? We had managers registered their name as managers. All 32 managers, their name will be put into a pot, and it will be drawn. After which, the team names are also placed in a pot, and after drawing a manager's name, we would then draw from pot B to see which club or which team that manager will represent in the tournament. Also, we have a third pot, which is pot C, which would be the fixture, which would be the group, and you would be selected and placed in groups. So everything is basically done randomized.
All
Damar
right,
will
before
be
I
the one
forget, let
that
me ask, what's the rule? I gotta make I gotta make a whole new team with this new team name.
Yeah, good
yeah.
question, Kyle. So I could answer that, Jigger. So this tournament here. When you guys are given the club name, all managers is basically is going to make the team that's given. So for example, right, I'm looking at the list right here. We got Nashville, we got Waterhouse, we got Western
So for
Tigers.
like Nashville, I could use the real Nashville jersey if it's
Yes,
Waterhouse. You
yes.
want me to create a jersey that's as
So
close as possible?
no, you don't. You guys don't got to create a jersey that's close as possible. Once the jersey doesn't clash between you and a manager, that's fine.
All right.
You guys can use whatever jersey you guys want to use, but at the same time, you guys have to create the club that's given towards y'all from the pot. So Kyle, I'm gonna ask you whenever I pick a manager name from the list, or whenever I pick a club name from the list, can you just write it down? So once we do that, I'm gonna create the group right here. I'm gonna show you guys the stream. Hold on,
All right.
just give me a second, people. Let's see if I could bring this up. I'm gonna do everything right here so you guys could get the idea what we do whenever we create a tournament. Right, so everyone going to see everything from scratch.
It's back soon.
Yeah.
Oh, we
so-
didn't hear you the last 20 seconds. But I'm gonna go get a piece of paper.
All right. So, where is it? Kyle. Let's give me a second. I'm trying to bring your name up. Uh, uh, message. Yeah. So this is it. So yeah. So I'm gonna show the stream. I'm gonna share my stream right now. Share stream. Why does it show like that? No, I don't want to show it like that. I'm gonna remove it. Yeah. So if you guys could see right here, so this is the website that we use whenever we create in the tournament. So after the name is given, we are basically going to create the tournament here while you guys are on the stream. So for example, this is the last tournament that we hosted, and as you could see, the winners are here. And the last team that win was LG Neverland. That's from the LG League. You got Pinchy, that's his Punisher, that's a former Punisher teams. So basically these are what we do. So we go here, create a tournament, bam. Then we're gonna name the tournament different, and from there we're gonna basically select the game. But we're not gonna get to that part as yet. But I'm just showing you guys ways that we go about creating the tournament and start it. So that's basically one way we do it. Now with that said, I want everyone to understand that the tournament starts at 9:30 p.m. and normally the tournament end around 12:30 midnight. But it's going to be a one-night tournament. All the rules remain the same. Once I end the stream, I'm gonna show you guys the way you guys gonna send in the result. Because when you guys send in the result, you guys might send a real Orlando versus Portland United 3-1, 2-1. No, but when you guys send the result, you guys gonna send the result based on the team name that's given. You understand? So Kyle, let me know when you're ready.
All right, yeah, I found my piece of paper. It took a little while to find it. You know when I last needed to use it? When Ade needed me to write down all the stats for the game. You back bringing that up again. But no, I'm more mad at Ade. He wanted each pass completed tallied.
Yeah. So
But anyway,
so let's just focus on this class.
I got 32 teams on here. 32 written down.
So right now you're gonna take on all the names. So 32 managers. We're gonna start from the
So
32 managers
so
first.
we have group A all the way to F, right?
Yeah.
Do you just
So
want to make it easier and not do the third pot? And just do like the first four are group A, the next four are
we're gonna
group
do
B.
we're gonna do all third pot. But what I want you to focus on right now, I just want you to focus on taking down the manager's name. That's
All right.
it.
I was just trying to skip the stupid third pot. My bad.
All right. So the first name is coming out of the list. Is King.
What's his name?
You guys can't see it.
No. Jigga, what are you eating?
Oh, King Ram.
King Ram. King Ram is the first name card that's coming out.
All right.
All right. So King Ram.
I didn't get with you.
I want to show. How do I show my Discord stream, bro?
Yo, who's smacking their gums?
Oh, that's not me, bro.
Bro, that's me, bro. This food too good. Oh, Lord.
All right, put your mic on mute.
Oh, God. I'm doing ASMR right now, bro.
Oh, that's Brown?
Let me stop.
All right. He's on mute, bro. How do I show my Discord stream? Share stream, right? And then how would I find it?
I don't know what you're asking.
Jigga.
It's the same way you share the screen. Same way you share the screen for.
It's coming up as window, but I don't want it to come up. It's coming up as window. Chrome.
Move the Discord. Move the Discord to the where the internet page is. Where the page that is showing AllstarsConCAF. Move Discord to that screen.
Hold on.
So you're showing AllstarsConCAF on your other screen, right? Just move the Discord over there.
I got you. I got what you're trying to say. All right, so I got it. So I guess you could see it, right?
Yeah.
All right, so where's it?
Yep.
So where is it? King Ram was the fourth team to sign up for the Champions League tournament, and they're the first team name that got chosen from the pot.
Oh,
so
bro, you're gonna go through all of that, bro? Let's go, man. King Ram, which team gets?
Right. So the next team that's coming out the pot is gonna be Kyle.
What already?
Kyle. Kyle's gonna be
What's
the
up?
next team that's coming up from the pot. You got that?
What's that?
Yeah.
No. What was that?
That's Kyle. All right.
No,
Yep.
bro. Oh my, bro. When you choose King Ram name, you go to the second pot and choose the team which he gets, and then you choose the third pot, the group that he goes in.
Jigga, I'm doing all the managers' name first.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's why you guys not paying attention. Please pay attention.
No.
Please.
Yeah, but I'm telling you how to do it the easy way to just get it done. No, I don't know which group they're gonna go in. I'm saying that just if you do it that way, then it will be done so quickly.
You guys just want to rush? All right, rush through the stuff. Speak to the audience, bro. Give me some time.
Tournament starts at 9:30 tonight. When you do the team names, do you want them to have like ASC in front of it?
No, because I don't think they're gonna have enough words to spell out the team names. So
All right,
no.
but some team names are going to be taken.
So if some team names will be taken, put ASC in front of it. Just give me a second.
And then what were you saying about the scores? Make sure you enter the scores as your new team name, right? That's what you're saying?
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Hold on. Let me take. Hold on.
So people that might be thinking this might run long, it's really not going to run that long. It's 8 groups of 4. So 3 matches right there. Once we get to the knockouts, it's the round of 16. So then it's really only like the same amount of matches as when we do the
regular
groups
league.
of 6.
Yes.
It's the exact. So it seems like a lot, but it's
really and truly,
it's
people.
not.
It's not gonna be a long process of night, bro. The reason why I am so behind time because I was cooking dinner, as you guys could see from earlier posts and stuff like that. Then I was doing some homework because I'm in college, and I also was having meeting with some of the admin and some of the managers because some managers sign up late. So this is the reason why I'm so behind time. I mean, this is gonna be finished before 2 hours before the game starts. So the part where you guys saying we should be more organized, you guys are right, but at the same time, if managers reply and time matter, I feel like this stuff right here would be done on a more suitable time for you guys. You understand? So it's like for me personally, I'm trying my best to make sure that this tournament run as smooth as possible because I know it can. Because I know we got great teams within the community. So this is why I'm trying to create different ideas of ways to make sure that you guys could enjoy FIFA. Because if you guys could be honest, FIFA is shit. We are the reason why FIFA is still here because we keep on playing the stupid game. You know what I mean? So it's like I'm trying to find a way to make sure that you guys enjoy playing FIFA and enjoy building a team and train at the same time to make sure your squad could get better. You understand? And that's just my mindset behind of it. I don't know for Kyle, I don't know what Jigger mindset behind of it, but for me, that's just for me. That's the only reason why I do this.
It's a broken game that's made for Ultimate Team. Yet I there's nothing in the world I love more than pro clubs, as far as a video game.
Right. So
having 11 people on the field at the same time with a common goal.
So
and then add part where we play against people we know. Now there's like 12 people on the 22 people on the field with people you know on both sides.
Mm-hmm.
It's just so much fun.
Yeah. So I'm almost done with the team name. Just I got a couple more to get down.
All right.
Finished. So the first 2 manager that we pulled was Kyle and Kilram. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick 2 teams from the pot that they're going to play against. It would be funny. I'm not going to say it. I'm just going to hopefully the pot just do it.
Hopefully I don't get Orlando.
So
you better show that.
That would be so funny if you get Orlando because Nicky B is going to be pissed. So this is like
he'll get Portland for sure.
So this would be like, and I'm doing this right in front of you guys so you guys could see. There's nothing there. For me personally, I don't go off of friendship. I go based off like the rules and fun, fair, everything organized. So this is the reason why when Jigga was the one when he said that we should do a live pot on YouTube so the audience, so you guys could see exactly what is taking place behind the scenes.
Put a little more hype behind it.
No, not just put a little bit more hype behind it, just to make these guys see what.
No, both.
Both. Yeah, you would say both. You know, but so this is just the ideas of what the ways we could do. So
Yeah, the anticipation is killing me, bro.
Yeah. So now I'm going to pick the team name for
First one's for King.
King Ram from
Yeah,
the
first one for
bag.
King.
So the first one out of the bag is going to be Atlanta United.
Wow.
Oh, King.
I
So
dodged a
King Ram
bullet
gets
there too.
Atlanta.
Atlanta United for King Ram. I hope I could put it back for you guys to see.
I dodged a bullet there too, Jigga. Our original
Yep.
rivals.
Yep.
Atlanta United is the first one out of the bag for King Ram. So, finally,
All right, here we go.
we can get that down. Now,
Yeah, I got it. I got it written down.
so from the bag again, look, I got two different. Where's the next bag? I got two different bags. One is for Democrat. No.
Two different bags. One has nothing but Orlando written, and that's the one he's picking for me.
So this is for Republican, right? The Republican is red, and this is for Democrat. This is blue. So you guys could see that it's two different bags. Now,
All right.
so this is the one for the managers, and this is the one for the team. So now
Okay.
for the team, going to Kyle.
Here we go.
Going to Kyle. See,
Here we go.
it's gonna be Vel, plus just Vel. I can't pronounce that.
Oh boy, I gotta find it on the list.
Yeah, so that team. So I'm gonna show you guys now. That team is from. I think it's from Barbados. That team is.
Is it Via Clara or something else?
Clear. It's Via Clear. It's from.
Okay,
Cuba.
that is a Cuban team.
So that team is from Cuba. That team is from Cuba, guys. That team is from Cuba. So that's two teams out of the bag already. That go.
So Kyle representing for Cuba.
Yeah, so Kyle ended up getting Cuba. All right. All right. So now for the
I'll take it.
Flea Blacks, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Now, for managers.
That's not P-Backs, that's Biggs.
Oh, I could say that said P-Backs.
You should have three bags. You should have three bags, bro. The third bag and put them in groups same time.
We're gonna now this is Lewis. Yes. Can you guys see that? Lewis. That's the third manager that got picked from the pot. The team that he's going to go. The team that he's going to get is going to be. Oh, check it again. You get Way Mont Whale from Barbados.
What's that?
From Barbados. Whale.
Weymouth, Wales.
Yeah, from Barbados.
Oh, Weymouth.
So you got a team from Barbados. So that's three managers out the pot. I wish I could. Can I step back some more so you guys could see? All right. So the manager name from the pot. This is Star City Manager. Star City Manager. Can you guys see that? Star City Manager. The team that he's gonna get. Yes, Ralph. You just got picked a while ago. The team that he got chosen from. What team was it again, Kyle?
Was it Weymouth?
That's Lewis. Yeah, Weymouth Wales.
Yeah,
Weymouth Wales.
Yeah, so the team that he got chosen, Lewis, was Will Mill. Now the next manager
out of Barbados.
From Barbados. So that country is from Barbados. So the next country is coming out from the pot for Star City Manager. It's gonna be Dan Bosco. Dan Bosco.
Don Bosco?
Yeah.
And that is a Honduras team?
Yeah,
or is it Haitian?
Hold on, let's see.
It's either Haitian or Honduras.
It's from 80. It's from 80. Okay. That team is from 80. So far we got one Barbados team. We got two 180,
got
one
one
Caribbean,
Cuba.
and
American.
one American. So there's no Jamaican team as chosen from the Patas yet, guys. No Jamaican teams. No Jamaican teams.
So that's Don Bosco.
Jamaica is not a real place.
Here we go. So now for managers, Trey from Trinidad.
All right, and he's got all the Trinidad teams still there.
Yeah, so Trey from Trinidad. Now he's gonna get the team from the bag. You get America from Mexico.
American
from Mexico. That's for Trey.
And no, Louis, you cannot trade for Asian team.
Right? So Trey, your team that you're playing against is gonna be from Mexico. Ralph, was that the team that you want to get? Let me know. Leave a comment. Everyone, please hit the like button, please.
No, Ralph wanted a team from Haiti.
Oh, he got a team from Haiti. I mean, no.
He
got
got
a
a
team from Barbados.
He had a team from Barbados.
Okay. So now the next name that's coming out the back for manager would be.
He just barely missed the Haitian Don Bosco.
It's gonna be Saba.
Saba.
Aye, Saba.
You guys could see.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So I'm gonna put this over there.
And I know he lives in Toronto, so.
So we got two teams from Canada that's in the champion league. All right, guys. So hopefully you get the list from that part. So you got Nashville. Woo.
Oh,
Nashville.
Woo. Nashville. These are some big names. Nashville. I really hope that Nicky B get Portland United. I swear to God. that would make my day.
Well, it'll just be Portland Timbers.
All right. So the next name that's coming from the bag for manager is gonna be. Let's have some fun. Let's go. We're trying to have some fun, bro. So the next name, this is gonna be new project manager, N. William. That's the manager name. So he's gonna be the next one from the list that's gonna get a team drafted currently at this moment. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So the bag is here. It's closed, sealed.
All right. So this is the team new project's gonna get.
So this is the team that new project is gonna receive at the moment. Oh, you receive a team from Jamaica, the first Jamaican team, Arnett Garden.
Oh, good team.
Good team. That's a great team from Jamaica. Arnett Garden. This is the first team from Jamaica we're picking from the list. All right. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So the first manager name that's coming from the bag for the next round would be Johnny. Johnny, you are next on the list.
That's Johnny Guzam from Redemption.
Yeah, that's Johnny Guzam from Redemption. Your name is up from the list. So we're gonna see what team you are gonna get picked from. But as you guys give me a second. So these are all the team names here.
Yeah.
Country. Everything is here for you guys to see. No, sorry. Give me a second.
While you do that, I'm turning my PlayStation on and making Villa Clara right now.
Just give me a second, lads. I'm trying to send out the link to people that's been texting me so they could have it. Uh, uh,
I'm sorry, my bro. I didn't see what team Johnny got.
No, I never get to that as yet. I'm just sending out the link to person
Okay.
that's texting me. So this is the reason why I took a 15-minute pause to send out this link. Right. So Johnny Guzan, Redemption Manager, was the last manager that name got chosen from the pot. So now we're going to decide. Now we're going to see what team is going to receive to play the tournament with. Kyle, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next name coming out from the pot is going to be Del Avil. That's a team from where is it from?
Oh, Evah.
Yeah, it's they from.
It's another Cuban team.
Okay, so they're from Cuba, right? Yes, they're from Cuba, and this is a team name. Hopefully, you guys will see it properly. So this is the team that Johnny is gonna get. So Johnny is gonna represent Cuba.
It's like Chiego de Evah.
Yes, I know Johnny like Cuban girls, Latina girls. So there you go, Johnny. You got a Latina country to represent. Don't let them down. All right. So the next name that's coming from the pot. Oh, guys, I'm getting hot. I'm getting nervous because I want to see what name's coming out next. Saba. What team did Saba got?
Saba got Nashville.
So this is Justice from Trinidad. This is our next Trinidad manager. He's the next manager from the pot. Can you guys see that?
Yeah. What team is he normally?
His team is shooter striker, something like Southern Striker.
Okay.
That's his current club name. Southern Striker. Yes, you did miss your team. Yes, Saba, you did miss your team.
Yeah, you got Nashville.
So the next team coming out is them. I think it's Tiger them, but I think I misplaced that. But I'm gonna make sure I'm right. I think it's Timer them. So this is the team name, Tiger.
Oh, Den Tiger. It says
Tiger. Yes. But I think it should.
Are from Guyana?
I think they're from Guyana. Yes, they are. So you're not so far away from home. You're from Trinidad, but you represented the team from Ghana. You're not so far away from home. So, right? No. New Project got what team did New Project got?
They got Arnett Gardens.
So you guys got a team from Jamaica. So you guys literally got a team from Jamaica. Right? So the next manager name that's coming out is Cupid. LG Napoli, LG Neverland. This guy has won the tournament at least. Yeah,
I was gonna say 5.
I think he won the tournament at 8 time.
Oh, nice.
8 time. So this is the manager name that's coming up next.
Divas wasn't picked yet.
Divas was not picked as yet, no. So everyone, please hit the like button. Everyone, please click that like button. I really appreciate it.
So this is Cupid's team. This is number 10.
Yeah, this is number 10. So he's getting 0.14. You're getting point. I don't know where they're from because I got to go over the list.
0.14 are probably Antigua.
So you guys are going to get a team from Antigua. Right? So I'm going to just go double check to make sure I'm right.
Was either Antigua or Trinidad.
They're from Trinidad. That's the first
I don't
Trinidad
know how
team.
many Trinidad teams you put. 4?
We got 4 Trinidad teams. So that's the first Trinidad team that we actually getting from the list. 4
Points Fortin.
Yeah, 0.40. So that's the first Trinidad team you get from the list. So let me just go over the steps. So once you guys receive the team name that you guys are gonna get, you guys is gonna go ahead and make a pro clubs team with the name that's chosen with you guys. All the same rule apply. The time, the 5-minute grace period, sending in the fixture, sending the score results is the same stuff. But I'm gonna tell you guys the way you guys gonna do it in a minute. All right, so that's gonna be what you guys are gonna do once you guys know what team you guys are gonna play again. At the moment, checkmate. I have not called the name as yet. So
We're at 10. Damar, give me a sec. So
mhm.
we have drawn 10 teams from the box so far. King Ram, Atlanta United, Kyle, Villa Clara, Lewis, Weymouth Wales, Star City will be playing with Don Bosco, Trey, Americas, Isaba, Nashville, N. Williams, Arne Gardens, Johnny Guzam, Belvela, and this is Southern Striker, then Tigers, and LG Napoli was the last one that was chosen just now, and they will play with Port Fontaine. Where did Profile go?
Yep, that's where we're at.
I could go over it again. So it's King Ram, Atlanta United, Kyle Villa Clara, Louis, Weymouth Wales, Star City, Don Bosco, Trey, Americas, Isaba, Nashville, and Williams, Arne Gardens, Johnny Guzam, Belvela, Southern Strikers, then Tigers, and LG Napoli will play with Port Fontaine.
So currently we got how many Spanish you got, Jigga? You said
So now this one is going to be 11.
11. So we got one Jamaican team that's chosen from the list. We got one Trinidad team. We got 2 Cuban team. The Cuban spot is now completed. Give me a second.
Yep, just made my club. The name is still there.
Kyle, can you send me a picture so I could show them what I'm talking about?
Picture of my club?
Yeah, the club name, yes. Just send it to me on WhatsApp so I can show them. What's this? What's this thing?
Port Fontaine is Trinidad.
Right, so we are gonna answer all the questions that managers is asking at this specific time, but we're just trying to show you guys what's going on. So we got one.
Yeah, Damar, we're kind of pressing for time now, though.
Yeah, so that's basically it. We got 180 team. So we're gonna keep going. Kyle is the first manager to make this team name as yet. So let's just keep this on the road.
Yeah, a little quicker.
All right, so oops, wait, I gotta do. I gotta do this over. All right, so the next team that's coming from the bag is gonna be next manager. It's gonna be Kuz Min. He's a manager for Atletico, for LG Atlanta. Sorry, Kuz Min. All right. So, kind of got that.
How do you spell it?
So it's CSCOSMIN.
Okay.
Cosmin. If I'm pronouncing it right, I'm sorry.
And which team they get?
So the team that they're going to get is wow. You're getting the team from Jamaica. What else? I might ask you to complete for you tonight, bro. Honestly, so if you're watching this, just save me a spot. I'm sorry, Mo.
Oh, that's your team?
What else? I'm from
Cosmin, if you need a CDM break, you link me up.
I'm from Seaview Garden from Jamaica, and Waterhouse is basically next door from Seaview. So
oh, nice.
So this is the reason why I said I might go play for them.
Yeah, if there's any Cubans watching, you can welcome to join me tonight.
All right. So this is the next name for the manager.
Waterhouse, aka Firehouse.
This guy manager name is Keep. Keep is the next manager. He's the last manager to sign up for tonight's tournament. Keep.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, I get the chance to add that to the list, Jigger. So you could add that on the list. Keep. Right. The team that he's gonna get from the list.
Blind, I guess.
Oops. No. Portmore United.
Oh,
That's a big one.
That's a big one.
I know a few people wanted that one.
So P Blacks wanted Portmore United, but Portmore United is going to Keep. Keep is getting Portmore United. You guys could see this. I'm trying to show it as clear as possible. All right. That's a big one. Oh, so how much more team left to draw?
More than half.
So the next name is that's the manager name. His name is Fats. Fatx ST. He's from Trinidad, so that's the next Trinidad manager. He's in this store. He signed up for the tournament. This is his manager name. Now let's see if he's gonna get the Trinidad team. Hopefully he does. Sean, I have not called the name as yet. Trey, I have not called the name as yet. So let's see what's gonna happen. So this is a Grenada team. Is it Grenada?
What's the name?
Grenades. So GRENA.
I think they're from Antigua.
Antigua. So this is a team from Antigua. All right. So that's one. You got that down, Kyle?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, just keep going, man. We have a long way to go, bro.
All right. So this is Zaka. This is the manager name. Zach. Why this popping up? Zach. He's the next manager that's up.
All right.
Can you guys see it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the next names coming from the pot is going to be Hopefuls.
Hoppers.
Yes.
That's the other Antigua team.
So that's two Antigua teams just got drawn back to back, guys. Two Antigua teams back to back, just like that.
Let's go.
So the next manager name is Javon. Javon is the Caroline manager. Can you guys see that? Wait.
Yep.
Okay.
Javon.
Yeah, Javon. He's from Trinidad as well. But this tournament, we got a lot of Trinidad team, a lot of Trinidad manager.
Still three Trinidad teams to choose from.
So and there's still three Trinidad teams to choose from. Look at this from Barbados. This is a team from Barbados. Paradise. Yes, from Barbados.
I heard that's a good one too.
That's a very, 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 very good team. So you guys getting great team to represent. Are these gonna post somewhere? I'm not sure if my team passed already. Yes, Goon, your team has passed already. Kyle, can you tell him what team he got chosen?
Cosmin got Waterhouse.
So Waterhouse is a big team from Jamaica. If you're looking for a player, you could always sign me because I'm almost from that city, from Jamaica. I'm just saying.
Waterhouse, aka Firehouse.
So that's a great flipping team, bro. So you got Sean. Sean is a big rival when it comes to Portland, when it comes to Orlando, when it comes to Tasha Squad, all those big teams that's played in CONCACAF before. So Sean, Sean is a manager for Pinchy, and Sean is a manager for Punisher as well. So Sean, I hope to God that you get a team from Trinidad because I know you want to represent Trinidad so bad. So I just hope this pot bless you. So here we go. Holy fuck. Western Tiger. Where they from? Western Tiger. Where they from?
Um,
They
they're the
from
other Guyana team.
they from Guyana. So you got a team from Guyana. Again, you are the second manager to get a team from Guyana, not too far away from your home country. All right. That's for Sean. Give me a second. So the next manager name that's coming up is gonna be Charles. Charles, you the manager for Diva FC.
Charlie.
So Charles, your name is coming up next.
Charlie is his name.
Charlie. I'm sorry, Charlie. So your team that you're gonna get picked from is gonna be Harborview. That's a team from Jamaica, guys.
Ooh.
Please don't let that team name down. I'm begging you. Make it to the final. You make it to the final before, you can do it again. Tonight is the night you could make it to the final. You make it to the final to before, so you could do it again. Thank you. I appreciate you. All right. So
All right, now we're on number 18.
Number 18.
Oh, Zach got Hoppers.
So
Hoppers is out of Antigua, Zach.
So you got Kareem Alpha manager. One of the best team in the tournament. Now let's see what team you're gonna get picked for, Kareem. You guys see? Oh, you got a team from
some big.
I got a team from. This is a big name team.
What's the name?
Millionaires. Anybody play pro clubs? You guys should know this team. Watch football in real life. You guys should know this team. Millionaires. This is a big name team. I think they're from Honduras, if I'm not mistaken. Honduras. That's the first Honduras name that's coming from the bag.
All right, let's go.
Right.
What was it?
Millionaire. Yes.
For what manager?
Kareem. Alpha X manager. We got Ade. Ade is the next name from the bag. Ade.
We're gonna give Ade a team from Nigeria.
Ade. Right. So
Ade, you get a Tivoli, bro.
Let's go, Ade. This is for you, bro.
Tivoli for Ade.
So Ade get Club Sando.
I don't even know where the club is.
Right. Club.
Let me find him on the list. Oh, Club Sando, that's a Trinidad team.
So Ade get a Trinidad team. So Zach, I don't know if you got the same Zach that signed up for the tournament previously, but this is for the AllstarsConCAF traveling draw to see which team managers get and to see what they're gonna go into. We're gonna do the part in less than 10 minutes. Just give me a second.
Let's go. We are 20.
So this is for Prince Mo. That's my manager, Prince Mo. But I said Mo, I might not play for you tonight. If what's his name won't let me play water off, so I might not play for you tonight. So the team that he's gonna get picked on the pot is Atletico Nacional, Mo.
Atletico Nacional.
This is a Colombian team.
That's a Colombian team. So that's
I think their jerseys are in the game.
So yeah, so that's a second team from Colombia. That's the first team from Colombia that's actually got picked already. Sean has got what team? Sean got, Kyle?
Oh, the Kareem one was also Colombia, Millonarios.
Yeah.
Sean got
What
Western
did you say?
Tiger.
Sean got
Sean got Western Tigers and Antigua or Guyana team.
Yeah, Sean got Western Tigers. So the next
We're
manager
at
that's
20.
coming from the
We're at
pot
21 now.
is Stoner. Stoner. This is Republic Academy manager.
Slash
Stoner
Lindsay City sometimes. Sometimes they're Lindsay City.
Stoner. Can
Stoner
you guys
alert.
see that?
Stoner alert. Stoner alert.
Let's go. So now the team that he's gonna get is
For the jerseys for the club, Zach. Just be creative, bro.
I'm gonna make mine as close as possible.
You got Tivoli Garden.
Oh damn!
You got a big name, Tivoli Garden.
Out of Jamaica.
Out of Jamaica.
bro.
So you got a big name team, bro. You got a big name team. Damn.
Only one Jamaican team left.
What team is that?
Humble Lions, the one I picked. I picked them just because I like the name.
All right. So now for the next manager is gonna be
Nicky B.
no. You're gonna be Joe Bazuna. I think Zobazuna. I can't pronounce you guys' name, but I'm sorry. All right. So, but you guys know yourself. We're gonna put the list in Discord. You guys could see as soon as the show is finished.
Zobazuna.
Yes, that's the next manager.
Okay.
The name that's coming from the list is you got a team from Mexico, Cruz Azul.
Cruz Azul. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a great team from Mexico. All right. So we got
what was it?
Cruz
from
Azul.
Mexico. Cruz Azul. Yes, we are going to post it in the chat room as soon as the chat is finished. All right. So now the next teams that's coming out from the list is going to be LeBron, Checkmate Manager. Checkmate Manager is next.
Okay.
Checkmate Manager is next. No,
Pro Bossy. No Pro Bossy. You're still there.
Your name is still yet to be called. So LeBron. Now this is almost Trinidad team left, bro.
Two, I think.
I don't even know. Let's go.
So Pro Boss. So LeBron name coming from the bag would be Mauritania. I don't know where they're from, but they're.
Let me look. Marathon?
Yes.
Honduras. They're from Honduras.
So they're from Honduras. Let's go. Let's keep it going. Honduras.
Yeah, we're at 24. We're at 24 right now.
Let's go. Bro. They got Chippy. They got Chippy from Trinidad. All right. So,
Still two Trinidad teams left.
so let's see what if you're gonna get one of those Trinidad team that's left. You got a team from Canada, Pacific. Chippy, you got a team from Canada. I think that's the first Canadian team, right, Kyle?
Yeah, from the Canadian Premier League.
Yeah. So you got that down?
Yep, Pacific.
All right. So now the next manager name. Caution. That's Musa.
Caution FC.
Yeah, that's Musa. Manager name is Musa. So his name from the team list is going to be
He's from the Trinidad, I think as well.
Yeah. Real Orlando.
Oh, there it is.
Real Orlando is taken.
Nicky B almost ended up with Real Orlando.
Real Orlando is gone.
So I can bet Nicky B name will be the next name out of the pod.
And Portland's still one of the teams left.
Yes, sir. So let's go. So this is really interesting. So the next name from the pot,
we're on 26.
Is gonna be. I can't pronounce this guy's name, but that's Legend X. The team name is Legend X. So you could just write Legend X on your paper, Kyle. And we're gonna tell you what's his name.
Legends XI.
Yeah, Legend XI. Yeah. So Legend XI. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. It's gonna be going for Umbo Lion.
Oh, that's a Jamaican team.
That was the last Jamaican team on the list.
Umbo Lion. This is crazy. Crazy. Okay, get a team like that. Fucking hell. I'm just interested to see what group they're going to go into. That's what I'm interested about. What group? Now, it's going to be crazy. So the next manager name, it's Danger Moves. Danger Moves. You've been asking all these questions if your name is here. Now you're here, guy, my friend.
And he's the manager of Indomitables.
Yeah, he's a great manager. You're a great manager. Keep doing the good work, bro. Take it from me. You're doing a good job. So now your name that you're gonna get to play with tonight will be please be Portland. Make my night. Oh, Portland United.
Right, but not Portland United. Portland Timbers.
Portland. Is it Portland Timbers and the team?
Yeah, it's Portland Timbers.
Oh shit! I put Portland United. Okay, so Portland Timbers. Well, I was close. I was like, please let it be, and it was. Let's go. Let's go.
Which means Nicky B can't get Portland now.
No, Nicky B can't get
it. Was close. It was close.
It was close.
All right, 5 more managers, 5 more to go. Let's go.
I'm getting excited. So the next name from the bag is Black Bolt.
Black Bolt for the Invaders.
For Invaders, he's the manager for Invaders. They're doing good in their current league right now. Let's keep doing the good work. The manager, the club name that he's going to get chosen with is going to be. Cavalier. That's the next team from
Jamaica. Cavalier?
No, from
Cavalry.
Canada.
Cavalry.
Sorry. Cavalry. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Yes.
Okay. Cavalier
so,
is from Jamaica.
Right. So Canada spot is full. Jamaica spot is full.
4 more spots to go. Let's go.
4 more spots to go. Kareem,
we still got those 2 Trinidad teams, I think.
Yes, your team has been picked already. This is the same Kareem from Alpha. Yes, the team has been chosen already.
Kareem got millionaires.
So you got what's the name? Bell Classical manager, Roma. Roma is the next manager of Kyle.
All right, Riz Roma.
Yeah, he's got he got
the winners of the Euro.
Yeah. They are champion in the league already. The name that's coming out from the list will be Motan. Bro. That's a Spanish. I can't pronounce that.
All right, let me look through the list.
It's M-O-T.
Monteguala.
Monteguala, yeah, Monteguala. Right,
that is from Honduras.
From Honduras. So is Honduras spot now completed?
Yep.
Okay.
3 more to go. Let's go.
Jigga, what team does Johnny Guzan got?
Johnny Guzan, he got
Juego de Avila.
Yeah, Bella Villa.
Okay, you guys ready? All right. So the next
Cuban
name
team.
from the list is gonna be for manager. It would be Pro Bossy. Pro
Okay, Pro Bossy.
Bossy. You are next.
Bro, so why you let Nicky B stay till last, man?
It's not me. It's a job. What do you mean? While I let Nicky stay last. Next team that he got is West Connecticut from Trinidad.
West Connecticut?
W Connection.
Yeah, connection. Sorry, it's double connection. Matter of fact, it's double connection, not West. So it's W and then connection.
Okay. Let's go. 2 more to go.
2 more to go. Let's go. It's P Blacks. P Blacks.
P Blacks.
Bro, you really let Nicky B stay till last, bro. Oh, you this guy.
Yo, P Blacks. P Blacks name is gonna team. P Blacks team is gonna be Mayor Balassis. I don't know where that team is from, but you guys could see.
They're from Haiti.
They're from 80.
Unless you only had one Haiti team, but I think you had 2.
I have 2 80 team. No.
All right, that's Mir Baliasis.
So the next name from the bag is going to be Nicky B. As you guys could see, the same thing. Nicky B. Name did got chosen from the pot, and he used the last one from the pot. And then the team that Nicky B is going to get, I think he might get the last Trinidad team, which should be Central. So Nicky B is a military guy, so he got Central. I think this team is like a military team, so you got Central. So now, I can't wait.
So what we're gonna do is I'll tag everybody on the Discord with the team name they have.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. No one go nowhere. Now I gotta do the pot. The pot. Hold on. Just give me a second. Kyle, speak to them. Let them know what team managers get and stuff like that while I make the pot. All right.
All right. I'll post the list on Discord, but I'll read it off again for anybody that didn't get here.
Kyle, don't post it until I finish with the stream. Please.
I'm saying what we're gonna do. Okay. So what we will be doing is posting everybody's name. I'll tag everybody with the team name. And I can go through it real quick while he sets up the last bit. King Grammy got Atlanta United. Kyle, I got Via Clara. Lewis got Weymouth, Wales. Star City got Don Bosco. Trey got America. Saba got Nashville. N. Williams for New Project got Arnett Gardens. Johnny Guzam got Suego de Avila. Justice got Den Tigers. Cupid Points Fortin. Kuzman got Waterhouse. Keep got Portmore United. Fax FATX or something like that got Grenades. Zach got Hoppers. Juvan got Paradise. Sean got Western Tigers. Charlie got Harborview. Kareem Millonarios. Ade Club Sando. Mo got Atletico. What was that? Atletico Nation? I gotta look that one back up. Oh, Atletico National. Stoner Treveli Gardens. Jobanzona got Cruz Azul. LeBron for Checkmate got Marathon. Chippy with Pacific. Caution or Musa got Real Orlando. Or not Real Orlando, just regular Orlando. Sorry. Legends 11 got Humble Lions. Danger for Indomitables got Portland Timbers. Black Bolt got Cavalry. Riz Roma with Monteguia. Pro Bassi with W Connection. P Blacks. Mir Balias. And Nicky B with Central. So what you're going to want to do is make a team with that team name. If the team name's already taken, put ASC, AllstarsConCAF, ASC before it. And try and get it as close as you can. If you have the real jerseys, I would recommend using the real jerseys. I would even recommend trying to get the color of the jersey correct, but you're not going to lose points if you don't have the right color jersey. But we do want everybody to have the right name. And we're going to be doing a draw to see who's in what group next. But again, I will tag you after this is all done with the team names. Since I'm just sitting here, I already made my Via Clara team. The name's there. So I already made them on FIFA. And it's going to be groups of 4. So 8 groups of 4. Top 2 go through. And then we'll go from round to 16 all the way to the champions tonight. It's not going to take any longer than when we do groups of 6. It's legitimately the same amount of games. So it sounds like a lot, 32-team tournament, but we eliminate half of them right off the group stage, and the group stage is only 3 games.
So it's from Kyle. It says it's from Group A to what? Group 8. It's from Group A to Group J, right? Just to let them know.
Something like that. I got to do it on my fingers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I think all the way to I. Oh, wait, no. Just J.
Okay, you scared me. I thought I never know my alphabet.
I forgot I had five fingers on one of the hands.
No Siri. I swear, Siri only understand me car because he on speakerphone. My Siri don't understand shit I said.
Oh, really?
When I try to speak to my Siri, I say, "What? English, please." That shit is so annoying. All right. Kyle, so you ready? So what I'm gonna do right now?
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna put all the team name back in the bag. I'm gonna put all the groups in the bag, and then we are gonna draw. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry, lads. This is something different, man. See? Normally we use randomizer for the group, but just because this is a live draw, we're gonna do it this way, so you guys could see everything clearly. All right, Jigga, you here? Jigga?
You can hear me now?
Yeah.
I was saying, like Kyle was saying, that you could skip the part C and just put them in the randomizer and just make the fixture right away.
Don't do no pot.
Yeah, just do the fixtures right away and let them see it live while you're doing it.
Oh, fucking hell. All right.
Would that be easier for you?
All right, yeah, but no, you won't.
Okay.
You won't. Because the website, I never did the website part in time, so it won't be easy.
Oh, you didn't put the team names in?
No, exactly. You know exactly what I'm going to say.
All right, we're killing for time then. Let's go.
Yeah, so I got to do that. So that's why I'm trying to hurry up this. Because I don't have the logo of the team names. But I got to do a lot. Just now I got to do a lot.
No, the logo is not important right now, bro. Don't worry about that.
So all right, so let's go, guys. So yes, let me show this. So you guys say yes. That's what you guys are gonna put in front of your team name, ASC, just like that, with the team that's given to you all. So now you guys. So now, this is the team name, and this is the pot that you guys are going to go in, right? So the first pot that's gonna come through. Kyle, are you ready? Kyle. Bro.
Kyle not even there.
Oh, I gotta add him to the stream. Sorry.
No, that's fine.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So this is the pot. So the first pot that's coming out the bag is gonna be pot F. Right? Kinda got that?
I mean, what do I do with that?
So you're gonna say group F. Just write group F down. Right? You hearing me?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna write the 4 team names that's coming from the bag into group F. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, ready? So 1. Mayor, that's you. M.I.
This one, P Black Scott.
That's the one that please. That's group F. Then all right. So you got Nashville,
That's Saba's team.
Saba. Then you got you got West. You got W Connection.
W Connection.
Yep. They got Portmore United. Portmore United. Got that?
Yep. Group F.
Group F is complete. Now, Group G.
What is it?
Group G. They got Paradise.
All right.
You got Democrat back shaking up, so you guys can see what's coming up next. This is the next team. You got Don.
What is it?
Don Bosco. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody, you don't miss a lot. I got Overview.
All right.
That's one more team. They got Portland United. United.
Portland Timbers.
Portland Timbers. I gotta fix that. Just remind me to fix that, please, because I want to make a mistake. I'm putting United. Group B. You got. Oh shit! I gotta shake it. I'm trying to rush. I gotta look for all these 32 team names. They got Atlanta United. You got that?
Yep.
You got Millionaires. You got that?
Yeah.
You got Blacks. What Blacks? Your team name was already chosen. I think he was the second to last team that got picked. Manager got picked. They got Grenades, right? For Group B, you got that?
No.
Grenades for Group B. You got that, bro?
Grenades.
Yeah. We got one more team that's coming out. They got Weymouth Wales from Barbados. Right, that's 4. No, the other groups. I'm trying to move fast as possible. Group E. Group E is next. Group E. back in the old time days, or early 2000. When the granny send me a market, you walk with bag of shit. Why did you gotta keep on leaving, man? Yeah.
Does the red bungee stretch to the number
We got
9?
points. 14. You got that, Kyle? For Group E.
What is it?
Point for Group E.
Points 14.
They got Pacific from Canada. Got it?
Yeah.
They got On It Garden from Jamaica. On It Garden from Jamaica. That's in Group E. All right. American from Mexico. So I think that group is complete, right? Yep.
Yeah.
All right. So
Halfway through.
Group J. Group J. They got uppies from Trinidad.
What was it?
Uppers from Trinidad.
Hoppers, yeah.
Okay. Next name. Atletico Nacional. That's small team, right?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reply with the team name under the manager entry in our manager thing. They got Vela, Clara. You got that?
I have no idea what you said.
Vela. Like,
oh, Via Clara, that's my team.
Yeah, that's your team? Okay. So your team is in that group?
I'm in Mo's.
Yeah, that's interesting. Fucking interesting. Alright. So they got Real Orlando. You guys never left Real Orlando alone. What the fuck?
Just regular Orlando.
No, this is a Real Orlando from the.
But no, the real It's
Yes.
Portland Timbers and Orlando City.
So if that's
Not-
what they call, if that's
Not
what
Portland United and Real Orlando.
if that's what they call in the thing, just remind me to fix it, please.
Yep.
All right. So, group. Right. That's how many teams missing from that group? That group is
None.
complete?
You got 4.
All right. So group.
This is the 6th group.
All right. I'm not doing this shit again. Let's go. Group I.
Group I.
Yeah. First name, Cruz Azul. Got it?
Yeah, I think you messed up the names at a point though.
Which one?
Because it only goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
Okay, we fixed that. We know we're gonna fix that. Right? We got Marathon.
All right.
I just wanted to make sure you got the name that's coming out the right way. We got Humble Lions. Humble Lions. Got it?
Yeah.
One more, right?
Yeah.
We got Club Sanjo. That's 4.
Okay.
What time is Group D? Group D. We got them Tiger. All right.
Den Tiger.
Yeah. We got Central. That's Nicky B. I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
We got Tivoli Garden. Right?
All right.
We got Western Tiger. Western Tiger. One more, right?
No.
That's it? Okay.
Both Tigers are from the same country and they're in the same group.
Very interesting. So this is why I love this Champion League format, because it's very, very interesting. We're not deciding what team, what group, what cup, whatever. Group C. I'm just trying to run through this part.
This is the last group.
Last group?
Yep.
Okay. So group C. Oops, I put our full name, so let's do it again. Cavalier. Foot. Ready? We got that.
Yeah.
We got Santiago de Avil. We have Waterhouse. The last name from the list will be. I got 2 names in the bag, Kyle.
Great.
Oh no, it's right. So and then we got I got the manager name in the bag with me, so I could show you guys just to make you guys see I'm not lying.
What's the last team?
And that's the team name is MOTA. The last I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna text you. Monteguea, yeah. So all the groups are completed, right?
Yep.
All right.
We kind of got to end this and get to work.
Yeah. So I'm gonna end the stream. Thank you guys for being up. Well, I'm gonna keep the stream up while I'm working. So if you guys want to watch me work, you guys are free to watch me work. But Kyle,
I'll put the names out in the thing so that you can also see the groups. I'll put it by group.
So what you're gonna do, right? I'm gonna explain to you what you're gonna do. So you see, I'm gonna show you in the stream. So you're gonna
Because
see
one of us has to make the list and one of us has to make the fixtures.
So I'm gonna make the fixtures, right? And you're gonna make the list. So you see where you see each of these guys register, you're gonna reply. Get what team does Justice get? Tell me. Justice. Tell me what
Den Tiger.
them Tiger. So this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like.
Just reply to it with Den Tiger.
Yes, exactly. Just reply with it with them Tiger. And then add the manager name while you're replying. Understand?
Yeah.
So you're gonna put AS. So you're gonna put
Like that.
let me see. Yes. Mm-hmm. If you want to go, no, do it in the manager tab. Do it in the manager tab in the manager chat. Sorry. Do it in the manager chat. So delete this and do it in the manager chat. It's better that way. I'm gonna delete it. Yeah, do it in the manager
That's
chat.
what you said, though.
That's my bad. Do it in the manager chat. I just recognize that this is gonna be because it's not enough. Do it in the manager chat. I can't reply to your text message right now. It's saying it is locked. I can't reply to your text message right now. Yes, you are. All right, so my part of the work needs to be done. All right, so all right, guys. So yeah, everyone. So this is basically. I'm sorry, I'm thirsty. No, Trey. I don't know. I don't remember what team name you was given, but your team name was already given out to already. The admin Kyle or Jigger is going to update the managers of which team in the manager chat that they got.
Trey was given Americas.
So Trey, your team name is America, so Mexico. So that's the team name you was given. All right, thank you, Jigger. So that's the team name you was given. I'm gonna go ahead and make the fixtures right now with all the teams. So everyone just give me at least an hour and so to get back towards you guys, and then from there, you guys have a great one.
All right.
But you guys just sit here, chill with me while I do the fixtures. All right.
This school year, make learning fun from day one with Noggin, the learning service from Nick Jr. Your kids' favorite characters are here to lend a helping hand, spin, or paw, and teach skills.
Damar, could you send me the list of the names them?
Kyle is going to send it to you. Kyle, send Jigger the list of the names then, please.
Well, I'm putting it all out at once.
Oh, okay, all right.
Start your 30-day free trial of Noggin today. Everyone's looking forward to the school year, but sometimes the best part about being back is the excitement of heading home. Classes in session at the school where fashion flies, color-changing hair, and tons of surprises. Styling, how about some golden wings that are rare? There's
Oh, I forgot. I want everyone in the All-Star CONCACAF family and in late night to please go ahead and give Chris Gunner a shout out because Chris Gunner is going through a difficult time. Someone in his family has passed away. And I just want you guys to go ahead and show him some love and show him some support. He's one of the admin that do the graphics works for us in also CONCACAF and also in late night and CVPL and in many other leagues that you guys play in. So I just want you guys to go in this server and just show him some love. Let you know that the community is with him and that we love and appreciate him. So Kyle, Kyle Jigger, and myself, I want to send you a lot of love to your family. Stay strong. Just know that for me personally, I'm here for you if you want to speak to anyone. Stay strong. Don't give up. Just keep on fighting the good fight. I love you, my brother. Stay strong. All right. I never get a chance to personally say that from the beginning. I just remember. So I just want to give you a shout out. So stay strong.
Hey, Damar, could you DM that list that you're showing to me? That one.
I'm not gonna be the one to send you that list. Kyle is, but Kyle, I've all.
No, you posted it. I can't copy it. That's why I'm asking if you could copy and post it.
Hold on, bro.
I'm putting through the list right now.
Okay.
Everyone's gonna see it at once. Them, you.
Oh, you putting the names to the teams, Kyle?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. You don't have, all right, you don't have to say me. All right, no problem. That was a good draw, man. It was a really good draw.
Yeah, that's all because of you, Jigger.
Unfortunately, I sort of missed the groups.
Oh.
So it's.
Who do you think is gonna win?
That's an interesting question, man. To be biased, I am going to be biased now.
Here we go.
I want one of the Jamaican teams to win it, man.
All right. I thought you were gonna say Orlando.
I thought you were gonna say Orlando too, Kyle. I was with you with that. I was with you with that. I thought you were gonna say Orlando.
I want the Jamaican teams to win it. I'm more looking at I am stuck between Tivoli and Waterhouse. One, because Tivoli was a team that I saw a lot of while I was in Jamaica, and I was going around watching the Premier League with my team, Highgate United, when they were in the Premier League. And I saw Tivoli a lot, being that some of the players from Tivoli actually came and played for Highgate. Waterhouse now is a team that they were actually they were the first Premier League team that I have ever watched playing football while I was growing up. So and they were the team that I supported before Highgate got to the Premier League. So I'm kind of stuck between one of those two.
Okay. For me, I want Waterhouse to win because Seaview is right next to Waterhouse. But a lot of people call me crazy because Tivoli and Seaview, Waterhouse and Seaview is rivals. So people ask me why would I want to see that, But again, Seaview's not in it, so I never get the option to pick Seaview, to be honest.
Seaview has never made it to the Premier League in Jamaica, yeah.
Well, so I never even knew that.
I'm asking.
Oh, I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't really follow football, Jamaican Premier League like that, to be honest. But it's just that the name Waterhouse and Seaview, it just remind me of Seaview.
House really spelled Houes?
Say it again.
Is House really spelled Houes, or is it just like regular house?
Yeah, Waterhouse. House.
Oh yeah.
S-E?
Yeah.
All right, that's not how you had it spelled on the website.
No, it's Hues. Right,
yes.
It's spelled like the normal house, man.
Oh, maybe I spelled it wrong then.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
And Tivoli and Arnett Gardeners are two rival clubs from Jamaica.
Yeah.
With it. It's like that's like the Everton Liverpool derby. It's like a
Yeah.
wall that separates both teams. Not
Yeah.
much, not much is known for some of the teams from the different Caribbean countries. I would hoping that if anyone is here that is in the stream and wants to join the stream, I want to say something about one of the teams, especially the Trinidadian teams
Yeah.
or the teams from Haiti. I see Haiti is represented there, and I must say much love goes out to Haiti and all of what they have been going through. For the past couple of months, they've been having a rough time over there with the passing of
Yeah.
passing away of their president, and the hurricane, and they had another earthquake, and so it's rough times, hard times going on over there for people in Haiti. I do have a
All
lot
you,
of I do have a
yeah, all
lot
you
of
gotta do,
Haitian.
bro, just stay strong and stay united.
Yeah, bro. I do have a lot of Haitian friends, and I work with a lot of Haitians here in South Florida. And as I'm saying, man, so I do know a little bit. I know a little bit of the Haitian words, not the good ones though. Unfortunately, nobody seems to teach. Whenever anybody is teaching language, teaching other person's language, they don't tend to teach them the good words, and it's like they teach you the bad words first. Um,
True.
Guyana, it's good to see Guyana represented as well.
Jiga, sorry, Jiga, I don't mean to cut you. Is it Tivoli God FC?
Yeah.
Tivoli God. Okay. Okay.
Tsunami Zaki.
What was that called?
Kai, what you say, Kai? You break up.
Millonarios. Or I am the only one struggling, love. Why are you struggling, Saba? Why is Saba struggling? And managers, if you there's always players in the free agents thread in the AllstarsConCAF. From time to time, I do go there and I see persons um called
Oh.
inappropriate. I don't know what he's talking about. What he called inappropriate. I don't know. Beautiful girls, only wanna do you dirt. Uh, yeah, I was saying that the free agent trend in the AllstarsConCAF. Yo, big man, you okay? Yeah, you wanna play some ball too?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's Juvan? Do you know who Juvan's team was?
Oh, Jovan
No, I
is
have his team, but I
Paradise.
don't know who Juvan is.
Oh, Cavalier.
I, no, I don't know his norm. I don't know his tag.
I'm gonna add it to you.
This is a whole freaking process, man.
It is. It is.
Is he Caledonia?
Yes.
Okay. That sucks about Chris, though. I was just about to try him at Portland tonight.
Yeah.
What happened to Chris?
It's one of his family member passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. Oh, that's why you weren't getting him all day.
Yeah.
Sorry to hear that, bro.
Yeah. I just give him some shout out, bro.
Condolence to the family. Stone Alert was saying allow him to post pic. He wants to show his fried chicken.
Who want to show his Jiga, make a thread for me that's saying family, call it family meal
No,
in
I don't.
Discord.
I can't. I'm a moderator. I remember.
Why you got the moderator tag?
I don't know. I asked you that the other day.
Can you get Biggs on the Biggs need to give me that admin, bro.
Caution FC Musa.
Yo, can you give me the tag?
Musa, you got Real Orlando. Let me reply
Can you give
to
me the
you.
tag?
Just Orlando City.
The tag. Biggs. So when
Just Orlando City.
how long you gonna get it? When you gonna get it? Oh my god. All right, bro.
No. My son, what's going on?
All right, cool. All right, Matt. We're up on the stream, so I'm gonna link you when we're done. All right. Jigga, can't believe from the moment I cooked that dinner, I never have any dinners yet.
I just had mine.
That's crazy, right?
Let me so while I'm at it, let me go ahead and do this real quick. Training done. To be Premier. Is it called Premier League? What's their league called? TTT Pro League. TTT Pro League. So it's called the TTT Pro League. Oh God, my son got on paper. Why you going with my paper, man? You want paper? Alright, go right on this.
Yo, we know that pre-boxer said this thing about Seaview's no side dog. What you mean, brother? Seaview. But I don't know what them call the Seaview team blocks, if that's you. But Seaview Jigga, Google that for me, Jigga. What them call the Seaview Premier League team. Cause I know them have a big ball on a Seaview. But I don't know if them have a team anymore.
I don't think them have a team.
Them don't. Oh.
I've never heard of them. Seaview Gardens.
Yeah, Seaview Gardens.
Seaview Gardens Football Club. They have a Facebook profile. Seaview Gardens FC. This stuff Football Club in Jamaica. Seaview Gardens Football Club. Seaview Gardens. They do have a Facebook profile.
I'm almost done getting the list out for people.
They do have a team, you know. They wear full blue, you know, Damar.
I know some have a team, bro. I know some have a team that I'm not going mad. But that's where I'm from. I'm gonna say the man them go practice every day for training, brother.
Oh, they're in the major league.
They might not be in the Jamaican Premier League 1, but they definitely in the league.
They won the 2014-2015 Major League Trophy.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, the jersey lit, bro. They got this full blue jersey with a white cross to the left side. Yeah, that shit.
Can you share your stream so I could add it? Hold on
a second.
Not you, Siri. How do I share it now? That's your stream I'm sharing, right?
Yeah. So this
Okay.
is Seaview Gardens Football Club.
Yeah.
That's the full blue. So yeah, they won the this was posted. This is where I saw they won the trophy. 2014-2015 Major League Trophy from Cassava President. Won 3-2 against Marvelly.
Hold on, Chica. Sorry.
Very good. Hey. Look at this.
Come here. Come here, boy. No, let's finish up the basic. Look at this.
All right, the big list is out. If your name is wrong, like if you're not even in the tournament, let me know. Some of them I had to guess who's who. Like I knew Lewis was Revolution manager, but for example, I had to guess on a couple other ones. So what, you need me to send you the list of the groups now, Pro?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Alright,
yeah, go ahead, Kyle.
Can we just put it the first one you did A since they got all messed up anyway? Like we never even drew Group A. We got G and we got J instead, which isn't even part of the top 8.
Yeah, so you could put them to you could switch them to for Aiden.
Yeah.
Looking at the Trinidadian Pro League, it's called the TT Pro League. The first season was in 1999. They're under the Confederation of CONCACAF. As you know, number of teams in this league is 10. Relegation too. They have domestic cups, FA Trophy, Digital Charity Shield, League Cups, First Citizen Cup, Toyota Classic, Lucasade Sports Gold Shield, Digital Pro Bowl. They also participate in the International Cups, CONCACAF Champions League, CONCACAF League, CFU Club Champions. The current champions is Double Connection, which was given to P Blocks. Most titles in the Trinidadian League has been won by Double Connection with 6. And the top goal scorer from that league is somebody by the name of Devron. I'm gonna butcher this man's name, which I think is George Lynn, with 144 goals.
Mm-hmm.
They have a website. Let me look at their website here. Oh, this is embarrassing.
The same thing happened to me too when I try to pull it up, Jigger.
It's suspended.
Yeah.
That's embarrassing. So looking at it, 10 teams: Central, FC, Club Sando, Defense Force, Morvan, Caledonia United. So this is where we get Caledonia from.
Oh, nice.
Okay, it's good to know a little bit of the history. So this is probably where Caledonia, the team Caledonia, is coming from. So it's Morvan Caledonia United. So probably they didn't, FIFA didn't allow them to put all of those all of those letters in. Northeast Stars. That's probably Star City is also from Trinidad, right?
Northeast Star City, yeah.
So that's probably where Star City is coming from. Point 14 Civic. That's actually the full name of the team. Point 14 Civic. They're located in Point 14. Oh, they show the location as well. Police. They just list them as police. I'm thinking that probably this is the police national team. St. Anne Rangers and Double Connection. but this league has been suspended or something, or because
It's because of COVID, I think.
but COVID happened 2020, and the last time somebody won this league was 2018.
Now, COVID started it in December
2020, right? Or 2019.
2019, yeah. All right, I'm almost done, bro.
With the groups.
So this is a map here
Yeah.
of what Trinidad looks like.
So you don't even need me to type out the groups?
No, send it to me. No, I'm almost done with getting the logo. Sorry.
All right.
Yeah, I needed to type out the group to me and send it to me.
I'm just gonna put it in the same manager spot.
We had a lot of team from Barbados. Was it Barbados?
No, not really.
It wasn't Barbados. League Etienne. They got a beautiful thing here for their thing. This blue and red, it looks good.
So you say it's Orlando City, right, Kyle?
Yeah.
Ready for you? Ready for you? You change it. Because you want to consider more. You want to consider more. Alright, go to the go big.
And there's Portland Timbers, right?
Yeah.
Not much is said about Haiti here. Like I can't even get a list of the teams. So these are the teams. Haiti has 18 clubs that compete in the 2020-21 season. America des Cayes, Acaye, AS Calvary, AS Emir Balias, Baltimore SC, Cosmopolitis, Don Bosco, FC Juventus FICA or FICA. My French is so poor, bro. I can't pronounce these names. Yeah, bro. Let me not try to kill myself here.
Did you do Cuba yet?
Oh, let me look at Cuba. Primera División. I'll get the Wikipedia information. I'm not finished.
All right.
Actually, if Kyle, your team that you got, Villa Clara,
Mm-hmm.
they have won the Cuban league 14 times.
Oh, nice.
And they are the most successful club from Cuba.
All right. Jigga.
So yes, sir.
And Kyle, I'm ready to do this
All
thing.
right, I got one last group to write out.
All right, hold on. So I'm gonna get some water. Plug my phone in while you do that.
Okay, so for some of the people that don't I don't even remember what the league in Jamaica is called.
I think it's the Premier League.
Jamaica Premier League. They even have an official website and everything, man. This looks good. It's looking good. It's not bad. Current leaders is Waterhouse. Tivoli Gardens in second. Portmore in seventh. Arnett Gardens in ninth. Wow.
Stoner saying, Fro, are you there or no? Stoner's saying he backed up 4 hours ago, but we had him on the list.
Stoner. Interesting. For the Jamaica Premier League, or the Red Stripe Premier League as it was called, I think it had a few name changes over the years. It was also called the Digital Premier League at one point. It was founded in 1973. Number of teams is 12. Their format of how they crown a champion is very confusing to me, and one that I don't think I want to even explain. After tallying the points at the end of the season, I think they have something like a playoff. So it's really frustrating to know that you might be points champion, but at the end of the season you might not be champion. So that's really frustrating there. Portmore United has won the most titles with 7. And it listed here that they're the current champions, because I think there was no Premier League last year because of the COVID.
Jigga, what team does more link with?
Oh, Mo
Yeah.
is Atletico Nacional.
Okay. More, so you link with Atletico Nacional.
Stoner said he had backed out and we had him on the list.
Who?
Stoner. He actually got Tivoli.
Yes, back out.
Yeah, he said he had backed out 4 hours before we did the draw.
Yes, not. This is quite annoying. I think I got a replacement for him though.
Okay. P Black's the same team, not even in I'm gonna talk Seaview.
Yeah.
Interesting. Next time we'll do the real Champions League, yeah, bro? Because some of these team names, I can't pronounce them. I'm doing horribly in this, man. Horribly. But this, the hell?
Where's the baby tuber?
You never in there. You never in there. You take off your back. I ain't never left it in a show. So this is my team going out this weekend. I might have to take Calvert Lewin out because they're saying that he might not be able to play. But I have Luke Shaw, Reguilon, Alexander Arnold, Fernan Torres, Rafinha, Son, Adama Traore, Mikel Antonio, Calvert Lewin, and some guy by the name of Cristiano Ronaldo. On the bench I have Luke Ayling, Digne, and Musa Sissoko. So I'm looking to get some points this weekend because I'm not doing so well, you know. Not doing so well at all. Where do I find the leagues and cups? I am currently 25 in this league and I dropped from 23 all the way down to 6. It's crazy. This man
Kyle.
4-4-2.
Jigga,
Yo,
do you know what group Wales in it? Is in?
I don't know the groups.
No.
Okay.
Why you say no?
This man has Luke Shaw, Ruben Diaz, Virgil van Dijk, Alexander Arnold. In the midfield, Mo Salah, Jorginho, Bruno Fernandes, Mason Mount, Dele Alli, and one striker up top in Mikel Antonio. This guy down here that is finishing 31st out of 31 people has Edison in goal, Van Dijk, Arnold, and Diaz at the back. Saka, Grealish, Traore, and not Adama Traore, but Traore from Aston Villa. Bruno Fernandes. This man has Timo Werner up front, which has played probably less than 5 minutes for the entire season. This makes no sense. His goalkeeper on the bench is injured. This guy will probably never see the field at Liverpool. This guy at Crystal Palace probably will never see the field either. And Ben White, which was a major disaster for signing for Arsenal, has yet to prove himself. Let me see, where should I look at now? J. Deva. With David Day in goal, Alexander Arnold, Luke Shaw, and Jimmy in the back. 3-5-2 is the formation. Rafinha, Salah, Suchek, Fernandez, and Jorginho in the midfield, with Ibanez and Bamford up front. On the bench, we have Duffy, Amarte, and King.
Jigga,
Yo,
show me all our United kit color.
Olaba not in the league.
Or overview, sorry.
I think it's yellow and blue and yellow.
Let's keep it up for a minute until the guy join.
See there? Overview, Stars of the East.
Them kit, yeah. Let's keep it up. I'm gonna let you know when he join.
Oh, hold on a second. See them here? See the kit colors here? See,
Kyle.
Arborview, as I was saying,
Kyle
to
left?
you, Arborview is one of the more established clubs in Jamaica.
Why is he not answering, bro?
So see their official kit, yellow top, blue shorts. And I think that was against Waterhouse. This is against Waterhouse. That's Waterhouse colors right there. Waterhouse is a powder blue and yellow.
Kyle, for that guy that wants to sign up for the playing tournament at Niat, just make him sign up for a manager tag, and then when he sign up for a manager tag, he send in his club logo. After he send his club logo, just go ahead and add his name towards the what you call it, the list that you make, and just put him in the group. I think that's a manager, right? Yeah, that's the city of that's the city that's where they're from. Unless I'm not gonna do it like that.
Damar, you know the player?
Huh?
You know this player?
Yeah. No.
Really? You don't know who the player is?
No.
Damn, bro. You're not Jamaican. Even Kyle know who that is. And Kyle not from Jamaica.
Who is he?
Come, Boo.
That's Baby Gardner, bro.
Who?
Baby Gardner.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
You don't know Baby Gardner?
Mm-mm.
Spent 11 seasons at Bolton Wanderers in the Premier League. Crazy, bro. 11 seasons in the Premier League.
Don't tell me no say baby gardener.
Even my girlfriend knows how Baby Gardner, you don't know that.
I'm in a football person.
Oh, it is.
Come, Jamie.
Yo, gonna wait. Why you have to fall upon the stream right away? And
Yeah,
here, so me know who
bro.
that is, bro.
The
Oh
man.
my God, bro. This is what me and Travis say, bro. I don't follow Jamaican football league,
Yeah, bro, but I said the man play 11 seasons for Bolton Wanderers, bro.
bro. I don't know him, bro. I don't know him, bro. I'm not a top player then. I don't
What
know
the
him.
fuck you talking about? This man's an icon in Jamaica, dog. Icon in Jamaican football, bro. You don't know this man? Come on, bro.
Hey, yo, gunman, you gotta leave me alone, You gotta leave me alone. That never You gotta leave me alone.
Come, baby.
No man, dog. He's one of the greatest Jamaican. He's one of the greatest footballer. Oh shit! I never know that. Sorry, baby.
Yeah.
Respect your legendary work.
Let him pick up a bucket bottle.
For the persons who want to know Arnett, this is Arnett Gardens. Not Arnett, sorry, Tivoli Gardens. This orange and black here is Tivoli. It's probably easier to find the clubs on Facebook, I think.
All right, I'm trying to make the fixtures, bro. So you guys just
See it?
give me a second.
This is Arnett Gardens FC. Red and black. Oh, that's a good finish. That's a FIFA finish. Look at that near post finish.
But tell me, Lions, some know the players are right because I kind of feel away.
This is Waterhouse. I guess I'm changing some colors because yeah, I'm used to wear them wearing green top now. Yeah, Waterhouse changed them colors because they never used to wear green and wear green top now, so I guess them changed them colors.
Okay, okay. I put it all in the song. I hope you hear this one. 'Cause I'm so sad now. How could I only be
And then this is Portmore United.
what is to come? So forgive me for my insecurity. Dude, that's dope. The only thing more dope would be you on this song with me. Yeah, I know.
It amazes me if you see these guys using this app. This is the app that most of we as pro clubs players use.
I'll give you one best favor. So who's calling JP to tell him that his daughter is coming for him?
All right, guys. So I'm making the fixtures as we go along. Just please forgive me if I'm moving too slow. I got an hour to finish it. My teammate want me to get online to come train, but I can't because I'm making the fixtures. That is the responsibility as an admin. Sucks to be me, but yeah.
Yo, Damar, mega jump off your second, bro. So big up.
All right. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, cool.
You keep the audience really, really entertained. So everybody here is now watching me, right? I got to give you guys something to watch. All right, hold on. Um. All right, so everyone, uh, that's watching me right here. What can I show you guys to watch? I'm making the fixtures on my phone. So when I'm done making the fixtures, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the way I make it. You understand? So right now I'm not trying to get distracted, trying to speak to you guys to keep you guys entertained. I'm trying just to get this over with so I could like move on to the next process. So I got I'm gonna end the stream.